Are you searching for a business you can start from home with no office, no inventory, and no large investment? A business with global earning potential, especially in the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and other developed countries? Then this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to start a content creation business using YouTube, TikTok, or podcasts, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. If you want real, profitable business ideas that anyone can start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's begin. Content is the king of the digital world. People spend hours on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and podcasts every day. Brands need content. Businesses need content, and audiences love content. That is why content creators, influencers, and podcasters are earning thousands of dollars every month. You can create content once and get paid again and again. You can create content in many formats: YouTube videos, TikTok short videos, Instagram Reels, podcast episodes. Choose the platform that matches your style. Video creators for YouTube or TikTok, voice storytellers for podcasting. Choose a niche you enjoy, such as fitness, technology, travel, finance, motivation, business tips, gaming, food and recipes, pets, or education or tutorials. A clear niche helps you grow faster. You don't need expensive gear. Start with a smartphone, a basic microphone, good lighting, and a free editing app like CapCut or iMovie. Upgrade only when you start earning. Content creation is a consistency game. Choose one schedule and stick to it. 3 TikToks a week, 1 YouTube video a week, 1 podcast episode a week. Success comes from repetition, not perfection. Use these strategies. Post valuable content. Use trending sounds and hashtags. Share your content on multiple platforms. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments. The more value you give, the faster your audience will grow. Content creators can earn through YouTube ad revenue, brand sponsorships. Many full-time creators earn $3,000 to $20,000 or more when they monetize multiple streams. Once you start growing, turn your content into a personal brand. Launch an online course, create a digital product, offer coaching, or start your own merchandise line. Your brand becomes your business. Canva for thumbnails and graphics, CapCut for video editing, Audacity for podcast audio, TubeBuddy or vidIQ for YouTube research, Notion for content planning. Stay patient, stay consistent, and focus on value, not views. Views will follow when the value is strong. And that is your complete guide to starting a content creation business using YouTube, TikTok, or podcasts. This business is flexible, low risk, and full of opportunities in developed countries. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your country below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.